You're in the exam period, but there's no word in your head. And seeing the spirits going back and forth, observing your behavior. And you suddenly remembered that you had prepared a cheat document right from home. At that time, you used two rulers, and you clamped a piece of paper in the document between them. Alternatively, you can use individual tape to clamp the piece of material into. And then you put it on your elbow like this. When the teacher does not notice, you took advantage of them to open them and complete your exam. You really lost your temper, but it gives you a good test, isn't it? You are in the toilet to gargle tomorrow. You two watch the film together and it's very cold outside. She came in and wanted to go to the bathroom. I can't stand her smell now. You two watch the film together and it's very cold outside. They are blocked to maintain their body temperature. You look over at him and there's an idea. You put your feet in his stomach so it's warm, isn't it? He obviously doesn't know what to sleep next. You sleep together. You turn around and hug him, but you dream that he scares you with a person. You sleep awake, startled, and have a nice action. He obviously doesn't know what to sleep next. And that night they no longer hugged each other but put their feet on top of each other like their buttocks. If you two want to kiss you, there is something not sweet in the kiss. The boy stopped and had something in his mouth. So you've already eaten chicken legs and forgot to gargle.